Hello, welcome to SIS online classes. Myself Kader Khan. Today I will teach you the next part of that chapter. So I have to discuss the past. The first topic is multiplication of large numbers. Multiplication of large numbers. Previous video I discussed about addition or subtraction by large numbers. Addition, subtraction of large numbers. Now today I have to discuss multiplication of large numbers. Multiplication of large numbers. Multiplication of large numbers. In this class or in your syllabus, multiply or in this chapter 2 digits and 3 digits. First I have to discuss or I have to teach you 2 digits multiplication by a 2 digits number. Now multiply by a 2 digits number. 2 digits number. Okay, let's see and understand how to multiply of large numbers or how to multiply 2 digits number. Understand step wise. Okay, let's see and now take an example 4, 5, 9, 1, 2, 3, 6 and multiply of 2 digits number. That is 9 and 9. 99 is the greatest of 2 digits number. So any number you will multiply, but I will multiply by greatest number. Okay. So let's see the steps by multiplication by 2 digits number. First of all 4, 5, 9, 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay. First of all addition by ones places. Multiply by ones places. Addition multiply by ones places. Then multiply starts from right to left. Right to left. So 9 6 are 54. You will write 4 and carry forward 5 here. 9 3 are 27. 27 and 5 32. Write 2 and carry forward 3. 9 2 are 18. 18 are 3. 21. Write 1 and carry forward 2. Okay. 9 1 are 9 are 2. 11. Carry forward 1. 9 5 are 45. 9 5 are 45. Sorry, 9 9 are 81 and 1. 9 9 are 81 and 1 82. So write 2 and carry forward 8. 9 5 are 45. 45 are 8. 53. So 3 and carry forward 5. 9 4 are 36. 36 and 5 41. So 4 1 3 2 1 1 2 4. The carry forward, sorry, 4, the first steps of the multiplication, and here remaining number 9 is the places of tens place. So next one, 4 5 9 1 2 3 6 2 3 6. Which place belongs to? Okay, 9. This is one tens places. So unit place or ones place 0. So first we will write 0. Then again multiply by 9. Again multiply by 9. Okay, or another way, will you write 9 0? Will you write 9 0? That means ones place 0 and tens place have 9. So 0 first place is 0 and then multiply. So 9 is multiplied here. 4 1 3 1 2 2. That is 4 2 1 1 2 3 1 4. Is that clear? So all together we will write. All together will you write? All together will you write? First, second, 4 5 9 1 2 3 6 and 99. So first one, 4 2 1 1 2 3 1 4. This is multiply by 9 and 0 4 2 1 1 2 3 1 4. This is multiply of 90. So add this number. 4 2 4 6 2 1 1 2 and 1 3 1 and 1 2 2 and 1 3 3 and 2 5 1 and 3 4 4 1 5 and then 4 and then 4. Understood? So first of all you will multiply by first place or ones places, then multiply by second places or this tens places, then all together multiply by 92 steps by step and get 4 5 4 5 3 2 3 6 4. Okay, multiplication of large numbers, multiplication by 2 digits number. I hope you will understood the multiplication large numbers by 2 digits. So you will try to the multiplication of 3 digits number. If any doubt or if any problem, then comment section. So next topic is facts of multiplication. Facts of multiplication. Facts of multiplication. Facts of multiplication. First of one, any numbers multiplied by 1, the result of itself. and multiply by 1, then result itself. And second property is multiply by 0, then result 0. Then result also 0. Multiply by 0, then result also 0. And 3 or third, multiply in any order. Multiply in any order of the given number, our results are same. Multiply any order of given numbers, result also same. Results also same. Like 75 plus 40 plus 20. Okay? 75 plus 40 plus 20. So first of all write this. So 75 and 40, 75 multiply of 40 means 4 5 are 20, 7 4 are 28 and 2 30. That means 3000 multiply of 20 is equals to 60,000. Okay, 60,000. Another 75 is equals to 40 multiply of 20. Get this part, 40 multiply 20 is equals to 75 into 4 to the 80. 800 is equals to 8 5 ja 40 and 8 7 ja 56 and 60. So the multiply any order of given numbers, results also same. So the results also same. 60,000 and then 60,000. Is that clear? So please send me in WhatsApp school WhatsApp group. Send me in school WhatsApp group for the students. Multiply large numbers by 3 digits. Minimum 2 question answers. Okay. Now the next topic is multiply zeros. Zeros means tens, hundreds and thousands. Multiplication by zeros in factor. Multiplication by zeros in factor. That is tens, hundreds or thousands. When multiply by tens, add 1 zeros. When multiply by 100, add 2 zeros of that given numbers of right side to right side, and 1000 multiply by 1000 at triple zeros of the given numbers right side. So such as, let's see, 1 and 1 steps. 7, 8, 6 multiply of 10. Simply we will write 1 0, that means 1 0 addition of right side that given number. 7, 8, 6 and 0. 7, 8, 6 and 0, 7, 8, 6, 0. Because of 0, that means all over 0. And some time ago I discussed 2 digits and 3 digits number. The same process you will define. So 7, 8, 6, 0, that means 1 0 and 1 0. Then put 1 0. Now 7, 8, 6 multiply of 100. Then okay. Similarly, write as 7, 8, 6 and 00. Then write 00 of that given numbers right side. Same as or similarly, 7, 8, 6 multiply of 1000. Then highest write 7, 8, 6 triple 0. 7, 8, 6 triple 0. Is that clear? Okay, so multiplication by zeros in factors, that is tens, hundred and thousand, this or this one. Is that clear? So I have to go next topic, division. Division large numbers by 2 or 3 digits. I hope you learn table 2 to 20, then easily divide the large numbers. So let's see division large numbers division large numbers. Division large numbers. First of 2 digits and then 3, 4, 5 digits. Now take an example, then you will clearly understand how divide or how division large numbers by another number. 7, 8, 9, 4, 2 divided by 26. So write 26, 7, 8, 9, 4, 2. This way and write another way. So first of all we take 2 digits and multiply more and more times. When or will you reach this number, will you reach that number, will you reach that number or less than that number. 26 1 the multiply left side or rough. 26 2 jar 2 5 26 3 jar 8 7 78. So 26 3 jar 78. So 26 3 jar 78. Then draw line and subtract from each other. 8 take away 0, nothing. 7 take away 7, nothing. So yes, then take one number, so put one number. So 26 greater than 9, so will not divide by 26, so take 0 and put another number. Why 0? Why 10 4? 0 and put another number, then 4. Okay, then again multiply or learn table. 3 times, then 4 times. 26 4 the 4 6 the 24, 4 2 the 8 and 4 6 the 24, 4 2 the 8 and 2 10, 104. So it is greater than 94, so we take 3 times 78 and subtract from each other. 4 carry forward 1, then 8 and 14 to 8, 6 and 8 to 7 1, and again put this number, next number 162. Again multiply 4 times 26 5 0 2 and 1 30 26 7 2 7 6 are 42, then 2 carry forward 4, 7 to the 14 or 14 are 4 1 8 18, so 182. So 182 is greater than 162, so we take 5 times 130, so 2 sorry, some mistakes. I did not multiply 6, so 26 6 6 6 are 36, 6 6 are 36 and carry forward 3, 6 2 are 12 and 56. So take 6 times 156, 12 6 6, then 5 and carry forward 12, then 5 5 0 and 0. So सिर्फ समझाएंगे, एवरेज उसके बाद कर दो. Okay, so remainder is 6. Remainder 6. So these steps, follow these steps and will solve. You will solve large division, large numbers by 2 digits or 3 digits. I hope you will try same process, large numbers by 3 digits. Division large numbers by 3 digits. If you any doubt, comment section. Okay, and then next topic, average. Next topic is average. Next topic is average. Next topic is average. What is average? What is average? Average means sum of all quantities. Sum of all quantities is divided by number of quantities. Sum of all quantities divided by total number of quantities is called average. Is that clear? So average means sum of all quantities by over total total numbers of quantities. Let's see now. Take an example and then you will clearly understood what is average. So let's see, in 5 basket on first, sorry, nowadays it will be raining since last Friday, so now or today until today's 8 days. So first day Monday you will Monday done his work 21 pages. 21 pages. Then second day, that means today's day done his work 24 pages. 24 pages. Number third day, Wednesday, 20 pages. Number 4, Thursday, 18 pages. Number 3, Friday, 27 pages. And 6th day, Saturday, 14 pages. 14 pages. And last day on Sunday, you will done your work 19 pages. So find average work is done by that boy. Average works done by that boy in a week. So how will solve this problem? Sometimes ago I told average is equals to sum of all quantities is divided by number of total quantities. So average sum of pages done by the boy. First one 21, 24, 20, 18, 27, 14, 19. 14, 19. 1, 4, 5, 5, 8, 13, 5, 8, 13, 13, 7, 13, 20, 20, 24, 33. Okay? 9, 4, 13, 13, 20, 28, 28 and then 31. Sorry. 9, 4, 13, 13 and 7, 20, 28, 28, 32, 33. Okay. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 9, 11 and 3. 11 and 3, 40. So 2, 4, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11 and 3, 43. Okay, so now total number of days in a week. How many days? 7 days. So average is equals to sum of pages and number of days. 143 upon 7. So 7 to the 40 and point 7 for the 28 and 7 to the 40. Okay, so average 2.42 near 20.42 near about 21 pages. Near about 21 pages. Is that clear? So how we define average? You will define average sum of pages or sum of all quantities divided of total numbers of quantities. Is that clear? Okay, so I hope you will understood these chapters. If you any doubt, comment section